Hello traders, today is 29th of March 2023 and we just bank amazing profit on Aussie dollar. Let me explain to you how I analyze the market in 4 hour. If you look at here, looks like the price is respecting it, this resistance level. But if you look at the news, we had a CPI data this morning and that was the negative 6.8 versus 67.2, and that's basically give us another sign of you know bearishness. As soon as the price broke on this level, we have taken a short trade here. First target was around this level, which price nicely hit. Let me explain to you how I analyze the entry and help my traders to bank amazing profit. If you look at here, based on this analysis this morning, the data was negative for the Aussie dollar. So as I explained, let the market break the structure and then we're going to be taking a position. As you can see here, market nicely broken this based on this analysis. Price nicely broken. That was a beautiful. As soon as the price hit to the previous low level, 200 EMA in our intraday, and that was the first target. As soon as the price target hit, even in the 4 hour, and that's what I explained my trade is time to enjoy some profit or at least move your stop loss at the break even. I hope you enjoy this analysis. You can enjoy when you see it live. So most welcome. Join it in our fast growing trader community. Have a safe trading and wish you all the best.